Most people try to fix nighttime urination the same way. They try random bladder exercises. They take herbal supplements. They avoid tea or coffee at night, but there's a better way. And yes, sometimes these help a little. But here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They never figure out what type of problem they actually have, because not just one issue. It can come from 3 completely different patterns. And if you don't know which one is yours, you could be trying to fix the wrong problem for years. Today, I'm going to show you all 3 types. And more importantly, I'll give you a specific fix for each one. Something you can start tonight. No guesswork. Just clear, practical steps. And more importantly, I'll give you a specific fix for each one. Something you can start tonight. No guesswork. Just clear, practical steps. The 3 types of nighttime urination. 1. Before sleep. 2. Waking up at night. 3. First thing in the morning. Because one of these is you. You wake up and your bladder feels truly full. Not just a small urge, a real one. When you go, it's a normal or even large amount, You might notice deep sock marks on your ankles in the evening. You may only wake once or twice, but each time there's real volume. This is a fluid timing problem. Small amounts, many times. You wake up 3, 4, even 5 times a night, but when you go, it's just a trickle, barely anything. During the day, you may feel pressure in the pelvic area, a constant urge to go, like you never fully empty. This is not a full bladder problem, it's a tight or overactive system problem. You wake first, then go. This one surprises most people. You wake up, lie there for a few seconds, and then think, well, I'm up anyway, might as well go. It's just convenient. You wake at the same time every night. You feel discomfort, stress, or restlessness. This is often not a bladder issue at all. It's a sleep disruption pattern. Before fixing anything, you need clarity. Tonight, do this simple test. Take a piece of paper, draw 3 columns, big, medium, small. Place it next to your bed. Every time you wake up and go to the bathroom, put a check mark in the correct column, big for a full bladder, medium for normal, and small for very little. Did your socks leave marks? Did you feel tired? Any snoring or dry mouth? Do this for 3 nights. Your results. Mostly big, you're type A. Mostly small, you're type B. Mixed, plus waking before urge, you're type C. Now we fix it. During the day, fluid collects in your legs, especially after 60 circulation slows. By evening, your ankles may swell slightly. Then you lie down and all that fluid moves back into your bloodstream. Your kidneys process it, and your bladder fills at night. The solution: change when you drink, not how much. Drink normally during the day. Finish most fluids by 5 to 6 p.m. Stop drinking 2 hours before bed. 1 hour before bed, lie on your back. Lift your legs up against a wall or pillows. Make sure your feet are higher than your heart. Stay for 10 to 15 minutes. Most advice online says, do Kegels, strengthen your muscles. But here's the truth. For many people, the muscles are already too tight. The real problem: your pelvic floor is stuck in tension, like a hand that never fully opens. So even small amounts of urine feel urgent. The solution: reverse Kegel. Bring feet together. Then exhale, lie on your back. One on chest. Now breathe slowly. Belly rises, chest stays still. Imagine muscles softening, pressure releasing. Do this for 5 minutes before sleep. This retrains your body to let go. Type C fix. Break the habit loop. This is not a bladder issue. It's a pattern your brain has learned. So we break the cycle. 3 simple habits. 1. Close the kitchen 2 hours before bed. No food, no drinks. This helps your body cool down and sleep deeper. No caffeine after noon. Even afternoon tea can disturb sleep. Caffeine stays in your system longer after 60. The 5-minute rule. When you wake up, don't get up immediately. Ask yourself. If not, stay still. Wait slow minutes. Most of the time, you'll fall back asleep. Quick recap. Type A, too much fluid at night. Fix, leg elevation and earlier hydration. Type B, tight pelvic floor. Type C, sleep disruption. Fix, routine and habit reset. When to see a doctor. Do not ignore these signs: burning while urinating, blood in urine, severe swelling, Loud snoring plus tiredness. These may need medical attention. Don't guess. Track your pattern. Match your type. Use the right fix. That's the difference between struggling for years and finally sleeping through the night. Start tonight. Give it 7 days. And you may notice a real change sooner than you expect. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it, and tell me in the comments. Are you type A, B, or C? I read every comment.